You know, with whitewood, it's important to realize that the foam back abrasive is not a leveling tool. It is for finishing. There's only a couple of applications where we can use the foam back abrasives on whitewood. Other than that, or on raw wood, other than that, you want to use a conventional abrasive. One of the areas that I find the 3x4 works well, and I'm going to use our Filmtek, and it's a great film product, and it's phenomenal on sanding whitewood or raw wood. But one of the techniques that I've seen with the 3x4, I watch people in cabinet shops quite often fight the 5-inch sander on a center panel. When we can take the 3x4 and actually rock her in all the way to the edge, gives you a great finish. That way you can, when you put your rails and stiles on, the door it's already sanded. Works perfect. Now the one area that we can use foam is on molding. With that, we want to make sure that the molding marks are not so deep, right? Mm-hmm. That if you got dull knives, this will not work. This will only work on light molder marks. But what's nice about the 1/2 inch in medium is it'll actually drop in and sand your crown molding, and it doesn't change the profile. So that makes it nice. Now if you have, again, deep molder marks, you want to go back to your conventional abrasive. I like to use it with the 7mm interface pad. It just gives me a little bit more rigidity. I sometimes will offset this sander just to be able to lip it up, and that way I can rocker it in. But you have to be careful because, again, this is a leveling tool, so it will flat spot. Mm-hmm. So you want to stay off your edges. It's a great product, great area. On the flat panel, the 10mm works great, again, for removing swirls, and it's just a matter of running it across the top of the whitewood. Right. So it's a great tool. Like I said, the 3x4 has come on the market, and it's taking it by storm.
Yeah, the beauty is you can mount these on just about any 3x4 sander. We happen to have this on the Ekasand. You can get it with or without a cord, so basically you run it on air or run it on electric, and with or without the dust collection. So a lot of options to really maximize your potential in your shop with a variety of the different Ekasilk Plus products.
Hi, my name is Bruce Fuchs, and I'm the president of Uneeda. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information about the Ekasilk Plus products, its applications, or just to request a sample, please click the link below. Thanks for watching, and happy sanding.